Well, I just walked into my house. I wasn't even here all night. I walked in, and there's someone random on my couch. None of my siblings know who this person is.
Okay.
I don't know who this person is. This person has never been in this house. I don't know who this person is.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Nope. Columbus Police, ma'am. Wake up. Snoring. Columbus Police, ma'am, wake up. Ma'am, wake up. Sit up for me. Sit up for me.
Let me tell you what I could.
No, come on, sit up. Sit up for me. Come on.
I rented this apartment.
Okay. Come here.
And it could do a swimming pool.
Come here. Stand up for me.
That's why I'm coming here.
Stand up for me.
It's probably better to
Ma'am.
sit here.
Nope, you need to stand up for me. It's Columbus Police. Stand up. Come on.
Yeah.
Okay. Stand up for me.
You know the show, it did make it.
Okay, ma'am. I'm gonna need you to come with us. All right, come on. Stand up for me. Ma'am.
For what?
Stand up for me.
I rented this apartment with him.
Hands behind your back for me.
I rented this apartment.
Don't.
Why are you? Who are you talking to? What are you looking for?
Hey, look at me. This is not your house.
I rented this apartment. Yes, I did. Didn't it cook 598 Fairway? Yeah.
No, it's not. Nope. It's not 598
Yeah,
Fairway.
it is.
It's not.
Turn the 6 upside down.
Whether cake takes. Yeah, who's here? What's going? Oh, the reason why I came in, I was not gonna come in or not.
Oh, these, I'm sure those are her slides. I'm sure they are.
Graham, excuse me. The reason why I came in.
Put your slides
I
on
have
here.
this apartment on a switchback, and I know that
This is not your apartment. Put your slides on.
And I have
Hey,
Ma'am,
put your slides on.
Listen.
I have a GD program
Okay,
right
come on.
now,
Put your slides on. We're gonna walk you out barefoot.
and my
Slide your feet in there.
Step into your shoes, or you are going to walk out barefoot.
Slide your feet in your shoes.
Okay, let me say my name.
Ma'am, step into your
Yes,
shoes,
my
or
name
you're gonna
right
walk
here.
out barefoot.
Walk
Come on.
Excuse me,
We'll
did
pick
you
up.
ask me my name?
What's your name?
We'll get to that.
Yeah, we will get to that.
What are you looking for?
Come on.
I wonder if that's her
I
stuff.
have a daycare,
Don't walk.
babysitting program.
Is this all her stuff?
What is
Take a
it?
step. Come on. Watch your step.
There's no problem. I didn't cause no problem. And what is it? I didn't. Excuse
Keep
me.
walking.
Excuse me, kids. I didn't do anything
Keep
wrong.
walking. Come on. All the way outside. Let's go.
Hello, I'm ready to go home now.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Keep walking. Come on. Nope. Not doing that. Not doing that. Let's go.
Oh, her pants fell down.
Come back to me. Why are you following me?
Come on.
I mean, why are you following me?
Now.
Just stand there for a second. I'm gonna pull your pants up.
No, don't touch my pants. Why are you following?
You don't want your
Why
pants
are
pulled
you
up?
following me?
You don't want your pants pulled up?
Nobody's
No,
following you.
what
You're in a
happened
home
was-
that is not yours.
I
man.
have a, excuse me, that's 598 Pro. See that
No, it's
just
not.
said?
That's 566.
I have
That's
a
566.
Like somebody called me over here.
You're in the
last
wrong
night.
house.
Somebody called me last night to come over a little bit early.
Alright, just walk her then.
Excuse me, what's the reason why? Walk me where? What is it?
Till we can figure out what's
Ain't that
going
the key
on.
over there? What is it? What's going on?
up.
You got anything on you we should know about? Anything gonna poke us, stick us, stab us? Weapons, drugs, fentanyl?
Who's that?
You. No?
Spoke to the homeowner, mom. She's gonna be pulling up in a minute, but she was saying she just wants her out, doesn't want to press charges for anything. So she said she's gonna be pulling up in a minute though. She'll talk to us some more. But
That's why I buy cheap ones. Happens to me at least 2-3 times a week. What's your name? Ma'am, what's your
I
name?
didn't know you looking in my pocket. Could I get my glasses back? I like these glasses.
Those are my glasses. Yeah. What's your name?
What is your
I'm
name?
looking for
What's your name?
Can you answer my officer?
I'm looking. I was trying to get a pack of I was on my way to the store to try to buy something for myself.
You said you live at 588? 568? What is it?
98.
98.
That turns around in about 3 hours. The address does.
Okay.
I don't know if somebody told me that they gave me a call. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for any identification or anything you might have on you. Oh, she definitely ate some mushroom chocolate.
That would explain it.
There was no problem any.
Let's see if she's got any identification on her. Are you Tiffany?
Yeah.
That's you?
I would hold on to that so we can verify that here in a minute. Okay.
This one where this used to be just like the shittiest bathhouse, not just somebody's
The kid said, there was no problem, isn't it? What were you looking for?
Why?
I guess since she's not wanting to press charges and stuff.
No one got hurt, right? If they was school or no
Does she have any weapons or anything at this point that you know, like you're good, you're content with
Can
that?
I smoke a cigarette or anything like that? Can I get a cigarette?
Back up.
Yeah, I'd like to. I'm ready to.
You guys start with us. You give me my talk with all your information.
I like to put my pants up.
Yep.
Yeah, we can do that.
I mean, the reason.
When I tried to do that earlier, you told me not to.
That's because I didn't want you to, because I want him to take handcuffs off me so that someone's trying to save Disney World.
Identify.
Someone's trying to save Disney World.
Yeah, I work at Disney World. Something happened there, and Disney World got folded, and it's probably, I don't know if I'll ever be there again, because too many people try to use my name.
All right, come on. Come have a seat for me.
Because my name is
Have
not
a seat for me.
Because my name is
Come
not
have a seat for me.
Your name is not what?
Eleanor Robinson. It's not.
It's not Eleanor Robinson?
No, but too many people try to use my name on everything I had, so,
Okay. Take a seat for me, all right?
I don't put my pants up.
Okay.
But I can't hear what you're
All right. Take a seat in the car.
looking for, but I'd like to go home now.
Okay. Well, take a seat in the car for me for now, all right?
I mean, for what?
For what? Because you're being detained right now. Here, take a seat.
Detained for what?
Step in and take a seat for me. Thank you. Alright. Then come on. We'll be able to get you out of these cuffs, okay?
We're at the hospital. If you want out of the cuffs, you're gonna have to step out of the car for me.
A bunch of kids found her. Not where she lives.
What am I? What am I coming? Who are you talking to?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm talking to you, Linda. Come on. Now step out of the car. Slide your legs this way. Come on.
She intoxicated or something? I think that we found a
Cold mushroom chocolate bar. So definitely doesn't help. But anything else? All right, Linda. Come on. I'll be able to get you out of these cuffs and get you some help. All right. Come on.
How much does it cost to eat anything here to be able to go home? How long would I be here since I work? Do know
Don't let
if
you
I
know.
work with Wendy's restaurant or not?
Okay. Come on. They'll figure it all out inside.
Sure. Yeah.
Step out. Come on, Linda. There you go. Keep sliding. There you
Tell
go.
you don't pull them up, then pull them up.
Step down. Right there. You grab your pants. Got them. All right, come on. Hold your pants for me, if you can. Let's go this way. Come on. Try to hold your pants up for me, so they're not falling. Hold them with your hands. There you go.